Hello class, today we're going to continue with our op art design. We are going to make what's called the wavy heart and the bulging heart. If you remember, op art is art that looks like it's moving or vibrating. And so with our lines and our colors, we're going to create the wavy heart and the bulging heart, hearts that look like they're moving. So with a white sheet of paper, mine is about an A4 size, I'm going to fold it in half because I'm going to have one heart on this side and one heart on this side. And with my pencil, I will draw a straight line down just to divide my paper so that I don't cross into each other. All right, on the left side here, I'm going to make a heart. I'm going to draw a large heart. Then I'm going to draw wavy lines starting from the left to the right. Simple wavy lines, repeating the wave all the way down. Now this part is tricky, the next part is tricky. I'm gonna mark off with an X all the areas that will receive color. That way, later when I go back in with my marker, I can go in quickly and color it in without wondering where I put color and where I don't put color, okay? So marking it off will make it easier for me later, okay? So, I'll start with the inside of the heart first. The very top part here, wherever your top heart, the top of your heart will be, it will probably look different from mine. But wherever the very top part is, you will mark it off with color. The X means color. Next, no color. We're working on the inside of the heart now. So color, no color. Then this section will get color. This section will not get color. This will. This won't. And this will. Okay? So I've marked it off, alternating. Every other one gets color. Now, let's work on the outside. So since this has color, this cannot have color. And then, so then that means this part gets color. All right, so then what about this side of the heart? This side has no color, so this will have color. This has color, so I'll leave that white. No color, color. Color, no color. No color, color. No color, color. No color, color. This one has color, so I'm gonna leave that. This one does not have color, so I'm gonna X this part. This part has color, so I'm gonna leave it. This part, no color, so color here, and then the rest is finished. All right? Now, with your marker, you can pick whatever color you want. I recommend you use one color. That'll give you a nice dynamic design, but if you really want to use more, you can do that. All right, so I recommend that when you color in with marker, you outline the shape first. That way you can go back in and color the inside quickly without having to worry about whether your marker will go outside of the line or not. Now I mark this off that it's going to receive color. So I feel good about where the color will go and where it won't go. I won't need to worry about that later as I'm coloring it in. All right, so that part will get color. This part will leave alone. I'm gonna work within the heart first. I'm gonna do the inside first and then I'll do the outside. Outline it, And then go in and fill it in with color. Okay? So you get the idea of what's happening here, okay? You fill all the X's with color and everything else you leave alone. And then eventually you should end up with something like this. All right, so next let's move on to the bulging heart. Bulging means it looks like it's coming out. Hearts beat, so when they beat, they bulge out a little. So that's the name of this heart, bulging heart. All right, so on the left side of your paper, we're going to draw another heart. And then we're going to draw a straight line down very lightly, down the center, and then extend it all the way down to the edge of the paper on the bottom and on the top. All right, so now we're gonna start with vertical lines. Starting from the top, I will draw a vertical line down and stop once my line meets the heart. Then my line will curve in this direction. And then once it meets the end of the heart here, it will continue down vertically. Again, vertical straight line, it meets the heart, and then my line curves, stops here at the edge of the heart, and then goes down vertically. And then I can do one more. Stop here, and then go down vertically. Okay? And then I can fit one more line out here. And then on the left side, vertical line, then curve in the opposite direction. Stop here and continue straight down. Vertical line, stop at the heart, curved line, stop, down straight. And then one more. Straight line down vertically, curved line, stop, and down. And then I can fit one more line here. All right, now I'm going to make horizontal lines. So I'll start at the top, make my first horizontal line going through. Then I'm going to make another one. Now this next one's going to bump into the heart. So once it does that, I'm going to curve my line again like I did with the other one. So now I'm going to curve it this way. Stop, horizontal. Again, horizontal, curved, all the way across, curved, and then horizontal. Straight horizontal, and then curve my line, and then continue horizontally. This is a little bit large here, so I'm going to go back in and I'm going to make that curved line a little bit. I'm going to change this and raise it up a little bit. Okay, like that. Okay, and then continue horizontal, curved, horizontal, horizontal, curved, horizontal, horizontal, curved, horizontal, and then all the way down. Just repeat it. And then continue my horizontal down here. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing and mark off with an X where color will go and where I won't color it in. Okay, so let's start within the heart. All right, so I'm going to start here and I'm going to go down from top to bottom within the heart first, just so I think it'll be easier. First section, color, no color, color, no color, color. Done with that. Now move on to the next section. No color, color, no color, color, no color, color. Next section, color, no color, color, no color, color, no color, color. Next section, no color, color, no color, color, no color, color, no color, color. Make sure you get all these small pieces, okay? Small parts. Next section, color, no color, color, no color, color, no color, color. Next section, color, no color, color, no color, color, no color, color. Next section, no color, color, no color, color, no color, color. And last section within the heart, color, no color, color. All right, I'm done with the inside of my heart. Now I'm going to do the outside. So I'm simply going to work down, all right? No color, color, no color, color, no color, color, no color, color. Just alternate all the way down, okay? Consider these small areas too. I think it's much easier if you mark off where the color will go, because it can really get confusing later. There, I'm just about done. Okay, so because of all the alternating colors and the curved lines, that will give you a bulging heart look to your piece. So now your next step is to go in and fill in all the areas that have X's with color. And then you should get a piece, an artwork project piece like this. Mine's only half done, but you get the idea, right? And that is your wavy heart and bulging heart project. I hope you enjoy, and I want you to save your work, and I'm excited to see it. Okay, take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.